A degree won't protect you from AI, because AI doesn't compete with education. It competes with output. If someone with average skills can produce 5x more using AI, the market doesn't care about your diploma. It cares about results. Here are 5 skills that will define who wins in the AI era, and exactly how to build them. Historically, information was power. Today, information is free. AI gives everyone access to research, writing, design, coding. So what becomes rare? Not knowledge. Applied intelligence. Leverage. Execution speed. Let's break it down. 1. AI literacy. Practical, not theoretical. This doesn't mean I tried ChatGPT once. It means knowing which tasks can be automated, knowing how to structure prompts, knowing how to combine tools. For example, a marketer using ChatGPT for research, Midjourney for visuals, automation tools for email can replace hours of manual work. How to build it? 1. Pick one tool. 2. Use it daily for 30 days. 3. Replace at least one manual task every week. 4. Document what works. AI literacy is built through repetition, not tutorials. 2. Systems thinking. Most people work in tasks. High performers work in systems. Instead of asking, what do I need to do today? Ask, how do I never have to do this manually again? Example, instead of manually writing reports, create a template, connect AI to data, automate formatting, how to build it, map your weekly tasks. Highlight repetitive ones. Try to automate or template at least one per week. Learn basic workflow tools, Zapier, Notion, simple automations. The goal, less effort, more output. 3. Adaptability speed. The half-life of skills is shrinking. In tech, it's now measured in years, not decades. People who resist change lose relevance silently. How to build adaptability. Schedule 3 hours per week for skill upgrades. Follow industry newsletters. Test new tools monthly. Run small experiments instead of waiting for mastery. Don't aim to become an expert. Aim to stay ahead of stagnation. 4. Communication and AMP, prompt clarity. AI is powerful, but vague instructions produce average results. The future belongs to people who can think clearly. Example, instead of, write a marketing plan, try, write a 90-day marketing strategy for a SaaS startup targeting small e-commerce brands with a $5,000 monthly budget. Specificity equals leverage. How to train it. Practice writing structured prompts daily. Break ideas into bullet points before execution. Learn persuasive writing basics. Record yourself explaining complex ideas simply. Clarity multiplies AI power. 5. Distribution and AMP, visibility. This is the most underestimated skill. AI lowers production cost. That means more competition. Attention becomes scarce. If no one sees your work, you don't exist in the market. How to build distribution. Pick one platform. Publish 3 times per week. Document your learning journey. Share case studies. Build public proof of skill. In the AI era, visibility compounds faster than credentials. Let's connect everything. AI literacy gives you leverage. Systems thinking multiplies your time. Adaptability keeps you relevant. Clarity improves execution. Distribution attracts opportunity. Degrees prove you studied. These skills prove you can compete. AI will not eliminate ambition. It will eliminate inefficiency. The people who win won't be the smartest. They'll be the most adaptive operators. The real question isn't, will AI replace me? It's, am I building skills that scale with AI?